To create a new project, click New on the Project menu. You can now add a new data connection. Select the database type. Enter all required data connection fields. Once a data connection was created, you'll have access to all tables and views of the database. You can add additional data connections at any time. Select the project and click New on the Connection menu. Select the database type and follow the connection instructions. To create a new query, click New on the Object menu. You can use the wizard to add tables and views to the query. Select the data connection and double-click it. Select tables or views and double-click to add to the query. DBxtra will attempt to create relationships between objects automatically. You can also add tables and views by selecting them for the object tree, dragging and dropping them to the diagram pane. Select the fields you want to include in your query. DBxtra allows you to assign any expression supported by the database connected. The expression wizard makes it easy to add new expressions. You can assign alias names to your fields. Once an alias name is assigned, it will show in all reports and queries instead of the real field name. You can assign unlimited sort orders. DBxtra allows you to filter your data in any way you need. You can assign unlimited and/or filters. Double-click the criteria field to enter a filter. You can even select values directly from your database by clicking the Show Values button. Apply date filters by selecting a value like today, last month, current year, etc. This way your query or report will always show records to the assigned values. When you assign a parameter filter, then when the user runs the query or report, he'll be asked to enter a parameter to filter. You can assign unlimited parameters to queries and reports. The in parameter even allows you to select multiple values. Let's open the data grid. The end user will be asked to enter parameters to filter the query or report. As you can see, DBxtra creates the SQL statement automatically for you. No need of SQL knowledge is required to create powerful queries. You could now go directly to the Visual Report Designer or save the query for later use. Let's save the query now. Assign a name and object folder. Assign user groups with privileges to open this query or report. The query or report is immediately available in the object tree. All end users will have immediate access to it. To open a DBxtra query or report, select and double-click it. You can now work with the object. You could also make some changes and save it with another name. DBxtra even allows designing queries including existing query and report objects. You can create queries by adding existing DBxtra objects and also by combining with database tables and views. Once you finished designing the query, you can save it for later use. Easily create summary queries. You can create summary queries from tables, views and also from DBxtra objects, by grouping and adding aggregate functions. There are many more functionalities DBxtra allows by building a query. You can edit join properties by clicking the join line. You can set inner, left and right joins. You can select top values by right-clicking the diagram pane entering a top value. DBxtra also allows creating queries from more than one database. You can easily build heterogeneous queries from different databases. Like let's say by mixing data from SQL Server and Oracle. And there is so much more functionality. Download your 100% functional trial now.